So let's start the topic from current slide. So risk and money management. See, risk and money management is very important. I can say if you understand this, then you can never be in losses. See, risk management helps you to cut down the losses. So what is risk management? I'll be explaining in Excel sheet how you will manage, how you will trade, and that's all. It can also help protect a trader account from losing all of his money or her money. The risk occurs when the trader suffers a loss, right? If it can be managed, the trader can open him and herself up making money in the market. And most of the trader fail in this thing only. They don't manage their risk properly, and their account is wiped in a day or in a month. It is essential but often overlooked prerequisite to successful active trading. After all, a trader who has generated substantial profit can lose it all in just one or two bad trades without a proper risk management strategy. So, how do you develop the best technique to curb the risk of the market? I will tell you that. So for this thing, what you have to see for risk management, what you have to do is you have to first define the risk per trade. How much risk you can take per trade. See, people blindly, if I'll tell in the group, buy futures of so and so company, you will see, you should not go blindly, follow blindly. You have to, and I'll give you stop loss of something. See, your risk capacity might be different. I am trading in future means my risk capacity is different. So you are work according to your risk capacity. So if, what is risk per trade? You are self defined. If this much amount, if it goes also, it won't, I won't get affected. Suppose my risk capacity, I'll tell you in the beginning, my risk capacity was 1000 rupees per trade. I mean per equity trade, whatever I used to take, 1000 rupees was my risk. And if I lose that trade also, it was not, I mean it was not affecting my emotions or my personality, because already I have fixed my mind. If 1000 goes, yeah, I don't, it doesn't matter. So what I want to say, you always define the risk. How much risk you can take. See, my risk capacity is 1000, but your risk capacity can be 100 rupees, or your risk capacity can be 50, or somebody risk capacity can be 1 lakh rupees also, right? So always define your risk per trade. Second, risk reward ratio. We will discuss that later. Positional signing also. Next, move to this next. Risk reward ratio. See, risk reward is nothing but balancing. See, you are able to see this thing. You have to balance the risk to with reward. I always suggest, see, minimum 1:2. If you are getting, see, if you are taking risk of 1 rupee, and in that trade you are getting 2 rupees, then at least you can enter into it. Otherwise, please avoid taking risk on a particular stock. See, in groups, many people, they give you some call. So you observe, they will give 1:1 ratio, or sometimes the risk will be 1 and 0.25 will be written. Always please request, work on 1:2 ratio. You will never be in losses, minimum. And 1:3, 1:5, 1:10 is outstanding, but minimum please keep your risk 1:2. And let me explain the concept in Excel. See, your capital, if you have suppose 1 lakh rupees capital, and see, this is normally 1% rule, normal people follow. A little risky follow 2% rule, means. And highly risky, I mean aggressive traders can follow 3%, unless they are actually, you should follow this only when you are pro. This this you should follow only when you are pro and you are very highly experienced. Generally, if you are beginner or a safe trader, please use this rule. So what is 1%? Just now I told you, you have to decide risk per trade now. So if you are having capital of 1 lakh, and you will, what will be your risk now per trade? Hello, fast. Hello, anyone on? 1000 rupees, right? So your risk is 1000 rupees. Now suppose I tell some stock price of 1000 rupees you have to buy. Yeah? And the stop loss enter a stock, suppose any stock up at 1000 rupees, and your stop loss is 980. So your loss per share will be 20, right? Now, how, position sizing, just now I told, no, position sizing. One is risk per trade, second is risk to, and third is position sizing. So position sizing nothing but quantity. People use the word, but in simple language we will go, it is nothing but the quantity. Now, as per your risk capacity, how much quantity you should buy? Now you are saying your risk capacity is 1000, right? And your stop loss is 20 rupees. So what you have to do is 1000 divided by 20. So your quantity formula will be, can anyone tell? Risk divided by SL, right? This much quantity you should buy. So if tomorrow I tell you something to buy, so you have to calculate your quantity based on this. See, this is you have to identify your risk. You have to buy quantity based on this risk. I will tell you the benefit of this thing. See, once your risk is fixed, I mean to say 1000 rupees is fixed, right? So in case, how many trades you can see, 1000 rupees risk you are taking now with 1 lakh, how many number of trades you can enter? You can enter approximately 100 trades, right? Means you can lose 100 times 1000, right? Now what I want to say is, suppose risk to reward, I told you 1 is to 2 minimum you work. Now what I want to say, with 35% of the accuracy also you can be in profit in the by the end of the month. How? See, your winning ratio of a strategy is 35%. So out of 100 trades, how many trades you are winning? 35, right? 35 trades you will win. That means 65 trades you will lose. So 1000 into 65, you have given to the market 65,000, right? Jane do. What is the problem? Let it go. You have decided why you are getting your emotions into it. Never work with emotions in the market. The only way to earn is you have to be emotionless. You have to be like a saint. How a saint will be? No emotions, no feelings. That way, if you trade, you will win in the market. Now, what I told you, minimum please keep work with 1 is to 2 risk reward ratio, right? Now, this 35 trades you have won, right? 35 trades you have won. So 35 into 1000, 35,000, right? And into 2, because I told you to work with 2. So what is the profit? 70,000. Arey, what happened? Arey, you are net 5,000. You are in net 5,000 profit. Have you understood the importance of risk management? See, I am not doing anything. I made you to calculate everything. And highlight is, see, people they on YouTube, they I mean not on, okay, people say they are having 95% accuracy, 99% accuracy. I will tell you reality, 80 to 85% is the highest accuracy. No one can be 95. Above 90 तो impossible. Bet लगा लो, impossible above 90. हाँ, above 90 only you are you understand what you are, then only. So see, with 35% of the winning rate strategy, you are able to earn. You are not in loss. What I want to say here, you are able to follow. Suppose your winning rate is 60%. So what will happen? 40% you are losing. That is 40,000. If we work as per 1 is to 2 reward risk reward ratio, that will come to 1,20,000. You are net 80,000. You are into profit. Now you tell me, why you people face loss? Why you people face loss? Why you people get scared? You people get scared because you people don't manage risk. That is the biggest reason why everyone fail in this market. If you work with proper risk management, I can bet you, I can guarantee you, and with minimum, if you are having a strategy of 35% also, you can make money. That I have shown you, right? So my request is, please follow risk management, and please follow proper risk management which I have taught you, and at the end of the month you only see the result, you will be in profit. And this was 60%, now you start taking to 70-80%, some are 85% also, you only see how much profit you will make. Why again I am saying, you people, now you have attended the seminar, but what happened, you'll have greed, you will have first you will get greedy, because suppose I give you tip, and what will happen on that day, you have want, okay, wow, Deepak sir is giving nice tips, I will, next time what I'll do is I'll buy in double quantity. Okay, second time also you have succeeded in earning, right? Third time again I gave you a tip, but again you have succeeded, and you have bought in four times, I mean four times quantity. Now I gave a tip, and you are very confident on me, or you are confident on your media houses, whatever tips they give, or any tipper, or even you are selfly, if you are trading with self also, I am saying anything, you once three times you continuously won, and you will get greed. Array, yeah, I am, and overconfidence. What will happen? You will put all the money in the trade, and what happens is on that day only risk stop loss hits. And highlight, what, no, what is the highlight thing? See, stop loss hits, what you people do, you people hold, array, let it come to cost, let at least by God's grace also you have done some good deeds, but you were able that somehow it came to cost again. What you people, you say, array, cost to cost only na, let 1-2 rupees increase, I will sell in some little profit. This thing you have to control. I mean to say, please follow any any trade with risk management. The only way to make money is this only, and this is very important. Your position sizing, that means I mean to say quantity, how much quantity you should trade based on your risk. This is very important. And minimum, if your winning ratio is 35% and risk reward ratio is 1:2, still you will be able to make money. And I am saying 35 is very, I can say, I think you won't find minimum 60-70% winning ratio strategies easily will get on the YouTube also. If you work with proper risk management, you will be able to make money. My session is over. It's all about how you manage your risk, how you manage your money. But one thing, please remember, don't now, please don't think to press stop loss button. If you have see, you have decided your risk, so why fearing, why are you fear to close the trade? See, let it happen na. Array, one trade you will lose, two trade you will lose, three trade you will lose. See, out of 10, 7 trades, 6 trades you lose, 4 also if you wins, you will be in profit if your risk to reward ratio is good. Thank you. And yeah, my batch is going to start from 23rd September. If you are interested, can call or WhatsApp on the following number. And thank you.